Hi guys, Rod here. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you my koi pond and the filter which I just fixed yesterday. So join me in this video, guys. Hey guys, so this pond was built a few years ago, and then we had small koi fish here before, and some other smaller fish too. And then of course I wasn't here that time when this was built. So when they built this pond, so the filtration system was not really good, although the water here was clear before because there's so many plants here in this pond. But you can see that falls up there, there's only a very small filter there, and it's not so accessible because it's way back in that corner. So now what I did yesterday, so I did a DIY improvised top filter here. So here, so this is an old water purifier, so I have some filter fabric in there in the top layer, and then here at the bottom layer I have some filter media. I have a Aquaspeed, I think that's an A6000, guys, so I'm not really sure because I cannot read the label anyway. And then of course for the suction pipe, I used a 1/2 inch PVC, and then there's a valve here to control the flow of water going to the top filter. And then at the bottom of this top layer I have two PVC male adapters. Those are both 3/4 inch adapters, and then my outlet there is just a 3/4 inch PVC pipe which I painted gray. So the only thing here is I should have bought a bigger pipe for the outlet. So I don't know yet, maybe if I'll have time I'll replace it, but right now it's working fine. The only thing is I cannot set this valve to the max. I cannot fully open it because if I will fully open it, the flow will be too much, so and then this will overflow. So that's why if I need to set this fully open position, I need to replace that pipe with a bigger pipe. But that's the only pipe that I had here yesterday, so I figured I'll just use it anyway, so I can, at least finish the filtration system yesterday. So but like I said, it's working right now, and as a matter of fact the water is very clear now, and that's just overnight. So and then 6 months ago I used this pond for the turtles, and that's also one reason why I had to remove the plants. And of course when I removed the plants, and like I said, filter right there is very small, so it cannot really filter out all the dirt in the pond, and the water was so cloudy before. And of course, it's also because what I did here when I used this for the turtles, I put these planters here. So, and this is all garden soil here with plants, and then the water is not up to that level. So what happened last time, the turtles can go up there back and forth like that, you know, so that made the water so cloudy last time. But now I removed the turtles here, and I will use this pond now again for koi fish. And also, since the water is very clear now, I can see the bala shark now, and I need to remove that bala shark before I add few more koi fish here. I probably try to catch the bala shark tomorrow, and I'll put him together with the other monster fish tank mates. So also, before I add some more koi fish here, right now I'm fixing a tub which I can use as a quarantine tank, so before I transfer some new fish here again. So I'm also planning to put a plant here, but I'd like to put a lotus plant here. So last time I tried to buy a lotus plant from Cartimar, but guess what, it's not really a lotus plant which they gave me. It's a kind of lily plant. It's nice, but you know, that kind of plant is not gonna work for this koi fish. You know, they're just gonna ruin it. If I put a plant here again, I really want the real lotus plant. So okay, and I'll give you an update, guys, once I add some more koi fish here. So right now I only have 4 koi fish. So I have the 2 longfin platinum. I just added them here like few days ago. The 2 tricolor koi fish here, I think they are called Sangke, and which is one of my favorite color for the koi fish. I'm gonna try to put this GoPro underwater just so you can have a view of them underwater. They're kind of shy. I think they got used to the water last time, which, like I said, you know, is not as clear as this right now. But they are healthy, guys, you know. Like I think I put those two Sanke here. I think I put them here like 6 months ago, and they are like, I think, 4-inch in size, but right now they have doubled their size. Actually, I think more than double, and they're really fat. Okay, before I end this video, let me try to put this GoPro underwater. And that's it for today's video, guys. And once I get some more koi fish, I'll give you an update on this koi pan. So till my next video, guys, you all be safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.